In this video I'm going to show you how to create a competition within LIGR. So navigate to the Assets icon on the left hand side of your LIGR dashboard, hit that and then hit Competitions. And then from there you click the red box over here that says Create a Competition. The first thing you'll have to do is assign a sport to that you're going to be using in your production, and then assign a particular theme, a look to it. So from the drop down up here I'm going to select Rugby League from the various sports that LIGR support. So I'll hit Rugby League. Then I come through and I can have a look at the various themes that are available to be assigned to the productions. There are 3 pages, 14 themes in total, but for this example I'm going to use the Gemini theme. So if I hit select and configure, I'll be taken to a preview of the theme itself. So if you click on these buttons over on the left hand side, you can see a preview of what the graphics are going to look like within your production. So if I go back to the match ID, that looks like that one, and then the intro, it's over here, and from here you can actually change the colors by clicking on these icons. So I'm thinking, yeah, I think I quite like the look of this one, so I'm all happy there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this button that says use this theme. Now in here we have to enter some information that is relevant to the competition itself. So the graphics name is going to be the name that will be displayed on your templates during your production. So I'm going to call that Rugby League 10s tournament. And then I'm going to copy that and I can put that in the competition name. And then the gender is female. The group is senior and the division is reserve grade. So all that is relevant to whatever your competition is. You just fill that out as you see fit. It could be first grade, A grade, whatever. And then the same with the age groups, right the way down to under 7 all the way up to under 23. So the next thing to do is add a competition logo. You can either drag the logo onto this box here that says upload and edit, or you can just click on it and then browse in your directories on your own machine. So I'm going to double click on it and it loads in, and that's what it will look like on the templates within the theme that I've selected. If I need to edit that, I can easily do so by hovering over it and clicking the edit button. You can scale as you see fit, or you can crop, but what I'll do is I'll reset that and hit save. The next thing is the watermarks. They're optional. They can sit on your production all the way through for anything like sponsorship or team logos or whatever you want to put up there as a watermark. So the same process as adding a competition logo. You just select on it. Then I've got this one here called Rugby Comp Watermark. Double click that. You can either replace, delete or edit the same as you did previously. But that looks fairly good to me. So once you're happy with that, hit create competition. You can now see that the competition is added into your LIGR dashboard to be used for live matches. So in here you can tweak this at any time. You can change the name or the graphics name, which is the display name. I think you can have up to 35 characters in there. You can change the age group, the gender, whatever the division is. You can also allocate teams to this competition, but there is a separate video for creating teams on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check that out. The settings, this is sort of like, as you can see, is self-explanatory for the half length, how long for half time, if there is extra time or golden point. And then you can also change the theme that is allocated to this competition by clicking this themes button. You can just, for example, I'll say, well, let's have a look, I want to change the theme. It will then take me back to another one. So at the moment you've got the green box saying this is the one that's being used. So what I'll do is I'll just change it to this one here. And now you can see that my theme has changed for this competition. And that is how you add a competition within LIGR.